When you have barbecues, do you always find your guests suddenly have somewhere else to be? Well, I'm gonna teach you to grill like a pro and be the cool kid on the block with steaks that look and taste like this. Gas or charcoal, which is best? As far as convenience, gas, it's just easier. Easier to control the temperature and less smoke and flare-ups. When it comes to charcoal grills, you really can't beat that flavor of the lumped charcoal and that delicious smoky bite. Let's learn a little bit more about our grilling tools. I always make sure they're within arm's reach. You gotta have your spatula, your tongs, a digital thermometer, your seasonings, a high smoke point oil, and aluminum foil, cause you never know when you need some. A clean grill is a happy grill. You wanna clean any old debris from the grill. Secondly, you use a high smoke point oil to oil the grill grates. It's gonna prevent any sticking and tearing apart of the meat and produce those highly coveted grill marks, which will wow anybody at your next barbecue. Omaha Steaks, in every single box, we have our cooking chart. It lets you know everything you need to know to execute that temperature perfectly each and every single time. Omaha Steaks even has a digital app which gives you all the tools you need for grilling success, including a timer. In order to nail those perfect meat temperatures, you're gonna need a good quality digital thermometer, like this one. Once the internal cooking temperature of the meat is 5 degrees below your desired temperature, you take it off, let it rest for 6 to 8 minutes. For example, if you want a perfect medium rare, you want to pull it at 125 degrees. It's gonna let it rest and give you that perfect 130 medium rare temperature. And there you have it. You're well on your way to grilling like a pro. Make sure to check out our Omaha Steaks blog for more tips, tricks, and recipes.